Hello everybody and welcome back. Now we're here on a video on how to create your Google account. It's very easy to create a Google account. All you need to do is go here to Chrome. Like you can go to any web server like Safari or in a Windows, you can use Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Okay. Now we're here in Google. And then we'll we'll, um, we'll go to Google, and then we'll press sign in, and we'll press create account. You in here it's asking you saying for myself or to manage my business, but we'll click for myself as an educational purpose. So here we'll put this. We can put So we'll put this. And we'll type this. Well, okay, and here is asking you for phone number here, and birthday and gender. And one second. I'll be right back. Okay. And now, okay. Now you gotta enter your phone number. And now is your and now you have to enter the birthday. And now I agree. And there you go, guys. You have the your account created. You have it right here. Thanks for watching.